Hello everyone, my name is Sit Yee. I am the group leader of the group 157 of the Lex 2011 the comic strip. This is my sixth meeting individual video. So just straight in our point. First is how have I done so far? So which means for the first is that we already finished the the three comic strip with ended with 4 pages, and also the videos and the videos. So I think our job is happy ending. And about that, so I'm briefly to explain about my comics. So for the first, our team for this comic is about the environmental issue because we want to uh, tell the people how the importance of the environment towards human. So I want to bring these things in our comic strip so that can make them realize that we need to conserve and reserve our environment. So for the first I I related I relate it with the uh, climate change, and so make the land become dry, so there are not enough food stock for the bunny. For the second is about the air pollution. uh, the environment is not suitable for the fish is live that it live there longer. And the last is about the birds, which is about the air pollution that can make our health in very bad, such as the cancer and allergic, and also skin cancer and others. So most of them have large impacts on humans. So um, we need to tell the human how how they are influence us. So for the most of the topics like this one. So after that, our groups also can learn each other better because for the first we have the ice breaking activity. I asked them to draw a turtle on a piece of paper. So actually it also have its function to let me can select about the drawers of the character and the background. Okay, so actually the next uh this courses is meant on we need to have cooperation well, and we need to knowing the others which come from the different places and faculties and courses. So um, so between the interaction of us in sharing the times that we are not free and the reason, so they can let us to knowing their life each for each others, and maybe know some talents that such as someone he just like cooking, so maybe he will attend for some cooking session in some activities. Mm, so most is like this. So for the second question is about how to improve the process of producing the comic strip in future. So for the first is actually I'm very satisfied about the comic strip, and also our group members also satisfied on this because this is the first time that we have done the comic strip. So although it is not like the comic which is published, but it is still for me it's still acceptable for because this really is our we by use redrawing by using handmade, but not the but not using the software. So actually I can feel that the comic is very originate from us, because sometimes if even if somebody can copy the character on this, maybe they have changed for some characteristic, but I didn't know. But this so for the first improvement is, for me, I'm the director of this comic, so I think it's for the first improvement is increase the interrelated between the story, because the three characters of the comics, which is the bird, the bunny, and the fish, doesn't have the interrelated communication or relationship between of them. So I just make a conclusion at the last pages of the comic strip. Mm, what the next is about, uh, I need her have a more better guiding to in guide my group members to set their dialogue and their jobs, their drawings, so that not to make them more confused. Mm, So for the next is about my English communication skills, because I still have some problem in listening and speaking. So I think I will try to improve it more better. Especially the vocabulary, I am not enough to state what I'm thinking for now. So I'm trying to improve myself for the side. Mm, for the others is, I hope that our group members can live more nearer, because sometimes I have sometimes our group members, sometimes our meeting is held at night. So when they back to their college is very late. So for the for the safety, so I hope that we can live nearer, so that can more easier to meet, and also for the group members that are more further than us can have more better transport to get back to there. So we no need to have such problems in the transport. So I think this is what from me. So now I'm here to appreciate instruct to our instructor, my group members, and also my friends which from the other groups, so that they help me and they guide me to finish this process, so that can let my group next meeting to finish well and efficient. So I'm very glad to you all. So I'm hope that if have time, maybe you can come out together. We can gather at outside, so to having a dinner together, and also chit chat like what we have done in the meetings. So I hope that everybody please don't forget me. Or maybe when we are meet beside the road, maybe you still can say hi to each other. Maybe you can forget my name, but please don't forget my face. Okay. So hope that um, hope that I can I hope the all of the students can get their targets, can approach to their target well in their future. So thank you very much for everybody's. So this is all from me in the next 2011 the comic strip for 2014. Okay, so thank you.